my god! I can't even walk because of the rain. It feels like I'll fall off the branch. Oh no, I'm actually falling off the branch. Mom, save me.
Oh my god, my little daughter is falling down. I must save her.
Oh, Mom, you just saved me from a big danger. But wait, what's this? You fell into the mud and your body is covered in dirt. Oh wait, I've got an idea. Mom, hold on. I'll bring the big gadget to clean the mud. Here it is. Now with this gadget, I'll clean all the dirt and garbage in the world. Okay, Mom, let me clean the mud off you first. There you go. Now you're all fine again. Tell everyone to give a like.
Yes, of course. If you love your family, like, subscribe, and drop a heart emoji in the comments.